matter, so that he says like the double slit experiment is using weak measurements, they've proven that in fact the electron is guided by a non-local field of time going in reverse and interacting with the past. And so this is what Dr. Ruth E. Kastner, she worked with Kramer on the transactional model, and she extended it to relativity. And so she cites another De Broglie researcher, Hestinez, who's discussing Dirac, and so the electron, because it has 1/2 spin, it's modeled in this quantum substratum of reality as like a helix of trapped light. And this is the same as the original Tai Chi, because you have to, in order to measure it, you can only the future and the past as particles have to be the indirect measurement. And so that's like the complementary opposites of reality, but in fact, before space is created, there's already a frequency in time interaction from the future, which is what De Broglie figured out when he critiqued relativity. And so Dr. Ruth E. Kastner is stating that, well, Western science has always assumed from Democritus that there's this absolute space-time with matter in the space-time, and the space-time is defined by this negative infinity as zero mathematically, using the logarithms, and so you have a continuum of space-time. But she's saying that that's not accurate, that the accurate foundation of reality has to be discontinuous and discrete. And this is why it's not commutative, because it's also non-unitary. And so this is why Aristotle also critiqued Plato, because he's saying that the direction of light changes the direction of time also. And so you can't just say that there's this idealistic number as a Platonic form, because of the inherent direction of time, future, past, that therefore changes energy. And this is also what Schrödinger is referring to when he called it negative entropy instead of entropy, is that the order of time is scientists understand it and have the gumption to question all of Western science from its very foundations of Plato for the last, 2,500 years or whatever. But the problem is that because it reverses what we consider to be entropy and negentropy, therefore the ecological crisis is due to this wrong foundation of science from Plato that's in philosophy it's called materialistic idealism. So therefore, even Yakir Aronov, he wants to hold on to this idea of symmetry because symmetry is considered the key concept in some search for a unified field theory in physics. And it's this very ideological construct of mathematical symmetry as a 0 point of a particle in a rest frame that has caused the ecological crisis. So when people learn the Pythagorean theorem in 10th grade in school, like in their first geometry class or whatever, they're being indoctrinated with Platonic philosophy with the idea of a space-time continuum, when in fact the truth of reality is this orthodox Pythagorean pre-Socratic time from the future that's secretly guiding matter, and we can listen to it, and this is what Pythagoras originally taught, and it's what the Taoists teach in meditation and also yoga in India. And it's from the original culture, the sun Ishmael. And so when we listen to Western music, brainwashed by the logarithmic tuning, which in is just a materialistic subset of the truth of reality of the three rooms of nonlocal that the classical ragas are based on. This is what Penance, they discovered this through a neuroban. But again, they're trying to incorporate it back into mainstream science, so they keep on saying, oh, it's Platonic and it's symmetry. And they have to ignore the ecological crisis in order to do this. But Dr. Ruth E. Kastner, she's went on to explore, elaborate on the truth of this quantum substratum, just pure time, frequency, energy, that all human cultures accept when they practice natural music resonance from the natural numbers as non-contact frequency and energy. So that's all I'm going to say. Thanks.